Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learning Corner Sync. So a quick question, can a polynomial have only one term? What about two or three terms? Did you know that the equations used in calculating the area of a square, rectangle and cube are all polynomials? Yes or no? So today we will learn the types of polynomials in the easiest way with real life examples. So let's begin. Before we start, let's recap what we have learned in the previous video. What is a polynomial? Variable, coefficient, constant, terms. How to identify whether an algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. So, today we will classify polynomials based on the number of terms. Polynomial is equal to one or more algebraic terms joined by plus or minus. Okay, did you remember that? Yes. So, if an algebraic expression has more than 5 terms separated by plus or minus, then it is called a polynomial. So let's begin with the first type of polynomial, that is monomial. So monomial is a polynomial having only one term. Clear? So let's say 5x is a monomial. Why? Because it has only two terms. Don't count the x, don't count the coefficient. Coefficient is 5. Similar way, 3x square minus 7, 9y square. 9 is coefficient over here, 2 is the power or exponent. So don't confuse that we have 2 is the power, so 2 is the monomial. So only you have to count the number of terms, that is 9y square. Okay. So let's correlate this with the help of real life example. Suppose I ask you to buy a notebook from a store. So if one notebook cost 50 rupees, then what is the expression? 50x, where x is the number of notebooks. So this is single term and hence it is called monomial. Now let's move to the second classification, binomials. So a polynomial having two unlike terms is called a binomial. Examples: x plus 2. There are two terms, x and 2, separated by plus. So that's why it's a binomial. Next example, 3x square plus 5. 3x square is a one term and 5 is another term. So separated by plus. Now third example, 5a minus 8. 5a is one term and 8 is another term separated by the minus. So there are two terms in each of the example. That's why it's called binomial. So let's correlate this binomial term with the help of real-time example. Let's say I have asked calculate the total monthly expense. So if electricity cost is 7 INR, okay, food item cost is 50x INR. So what is the total cost? 50x plus 70. So it has two terms, 50x and 70. X is the number of food items we ate in the whole month. Now Let's move to the next category, trinomials. So, a polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. Let's say x square plus 3x plus 2. There are three terms separated by 2. That's why it is trinomial. Same way 2a square plus 5a plus 7. There are three terms separated by plus or minus. Clear? So, now again we take example of the monthly expense. Suppose electricity cost is 100 INR. Internet cost is 80 INR. And food cost is 50x INR. So, total cost is 50x plus 100 plus 80. Okay. So, x is the, what is x is the number of food items we ate in the whole month. So, one term, two term, three term. There are three terms and hence it is a trinomial. This is the real time life example you can correlate a polynomial categories with. Clear? Now, what we say, if a polynomial with more than three terms, it is simply set, for example, x square plus 2x square plus 5x plus 7 contains four terms. So, we simply call it a polynomial with four terms. Okay, let me highlight this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there is no special name like monomial, binomial or trinomial after three terms. So, after three terms, any algebraic expression is called a polynomial irrespective of the terms. So, I have plot a pictorial representation for you. So, you can memorize in your mind. Number of terms अगर one है तो monomial हो गया. इसमें सिंगल टर्म होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5x minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is a constant polynomial. Second category is 2, binomial. Example 2x square minus 5. Third is trinomial. Example 3 terms separated by plus. 4 or more polynomials. Example separated by plus. 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Clear? तो मोनो का मतलब 1 होता है, बाय का मतलब 2 होता है, ट्राई का मतलब 3 होता है, पॉलिनोमियल्स जो 4 और मोर होते हैं. नाउ अ क्विक क्विज. तो आप लोग क्या करना, whenever the question I mention the question, then pause the video, I wait for the 5 seconds and then will answer. तो आप लोग प्ले करके अपना आंसर को वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. लेट्स बिगिन. सो फर्स्ट इज 7x स्क्वायर. लेट मी प्ले. Okay, so 7x square is a monomial. Why? Because it has only one term. Don't confuse with the exponent, don't confuse with the coefficient. 7 is coefficient, 2 is power. So, it is monomial. Now, next question, x plus 8 or x minus 8. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Now, it has two terms, x and 8. Similar way in other expression also, two terms separated by plus or minus. So, it is binomial. Okay, clear? Now, moving to the next question, x square plus 5x plus 6. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Yes. So, it has three terms separated by plus or minus. Here plus x square is the one term, 5x is another term, 6 is another term. So, it is trinomial. Now, trinomial. Now next one, x4 plus x3 plus x square plus x plus 1. Let's wait for 5 seconds again. Okay, it has 5 terms, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. That's why it's called polynomial. Okay, more than 3 terms. Now next question is x square minus 5x minus 3. Let's wait for 5 seconds again. Yeah, it has 3 terms. So what it is called? It is called, guess, trinomial. Not guess, be 100% sure it is trinomial. Clear? So important part ये है कि जो terms होते हैं separated by plus या minus are counted as separate terms. जैसे कि अगर हम इसे लें x square minus 5x minus 3, तो x square एक टर्म है, 5x another टर्म है, 3 another टर्म है. हमें कोफिशिएंट, एक्सपोनेंट इससे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. जैसे एक्सपोनेंट हेयर 2 है, कोफिशिएंट 5 है, ये ठीक है. तो ये हमारे नहीं डिसाइड करेंगे कि ये मोनोमियल है, बाइनोमियल है, ट्राइनोमियल है. ठीक है, क्लियर? सो if this explanation made polynomials easy to understand, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learning Corner Sync. In the next video, we will learn degree of a polynomial with simple tricks and real life example. Till then, bye bye.